Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a PS4 controller on FC Mobile. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller has sufficient battery life. Next, put your controller into pairing mode by simultaneously pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes. Then, open the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device and select the wireless controller option to connect. Once your controller is successfully paired with your mobile device, launch the FC Mobile application. After the game loads, you'll want to access the in-game settings. Look for a section related to controls or gamepads. Here, you should see an indication that your PlayStation 4 controller is detected and ready for use. Ensure it's enabled to proceed with gameplay. FC Mobile often provides options to customize your controller layout. Take some time to explore these settings. You can usually remap specific actions to different buttons on your PlayStation 4 controller, allowing for a more personalized and comfortable gaming experience. Once you've made your desired adjustments, remember to save your custom control scheme so it's ready for every match. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your PlayStation 4 controller and your mobile device. Also, ensure your phone or tablet's operating system is updated to the latest version, as this can resolve compatibility problems. For the best connection, keep your controller and device relatively close, ideally within a range of 10 meters or 33 feet, to minimize signal interference and ensure smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.